The administrator can change all lock settings through these instructions. To access the settings, enter the 7-digit backup master code followed by the checkmark button. Press 1 for single user mode. Press 2 for multi-user mode. Press 3 for ADA applications in use with the Bluetooth connected ADA fob. When in single or multiple user mode, you can set the number of digits required in the code by pressing 4 for a 4-digit code, 5 for a 5-digit code, or 6 for a 6-digit code. To turn off the sound, press 7. To turn the sound on, press 8. Press the checkmark button to exit the settings mode after resetting the code, making function changes, or restoring default settings. To restore the lock into its factory default settings, press and hold 9 for 5 seconds to reset the lock.